Kabayan, real talk muna. America is called the land of opportunity. But bakit marami pa rin sa atin ang stuck sa survival mode? Akala ng iba, kapag nasa Amerika ka na, okay na ang lahat. Pero ang totoo, marami sa atin dito, tahimik lang lumalaban araw-araw. Working non-stop, paying bills, supporting family back home, trying to stay strong kahit ubos na. And if this feels exactly like your life right now, please watch until the end. Hi, I am Amy, originally from the Philippines, now living in New Jersey, USA with my family. Dumating ako dito noong 2015 na punong-puno ng pangarap. Better future, financial stability, makaipon, makaahon sa hirap, at mabigyan ng magandang buhay ang pamilya ko. I work as a hospital pharmacy technician here in the US. Unlike many immigrants, ginawa ko ng lahat. Work harder, extra hours, sacrifice more. Kasi akala ko noon, kapag masipag ka, magiging okay na din ang lahat. Pero habang tumatagal, mas lalong bumibigat ang buhay. Yes, dollar ang kita, pero dollar din ang gastos. Even though nagtatrabaho kami pareho ng husband ko, parang hindi pa rin sapat. Halos napupunta na nga lang sa babysitter ang sahod ko. Madalang kami magkasama ng asawa ko dahil kailangan niya rin mag-extra work para makasurvive kami. Minsan, text na lang communication namin. Hindi na nga balance Wala nang quality time. Parang puro na lang work, bills, stress, repeat. And despite all our hard work, we were still living paycheck to paycheck. Then one day, bumigay yung katawan ko. I was forced to stop working. And honestly, doon ako natakot kasi napaisip ako, what if hindi na ako makapagtrabaho? Paano na yung bills? Paano na yung pamilya ko? Paano na yung future namin? Utang, stress, no savings, paulit-ulit na lang yung cycle. And one night, hindi ko maiwasan umiyak dahil sa sitwasyon namin. I asked Allah for the guidance, for peace, and for another way. Then one day, may nakita na naman akong ad sa Facebook. Actually, matagal ko na siyang nakikita noon. Ine-ignore ko lang lagi. Pero this time, iba yung pakiramdam. A Filipino from Texas was sharing her story. Professional din siya, may magandang trabaho, pero financially struggling pa rin. Pagod na rin siya sa cycle ng buhay. But after learning online skills and building an online business, unti-unting nagbago yung buhay niya. More flexibility, more confidence, more freedom, and more time with family. And honestly, sobrang nakarelate ako. For the first time in a long time, nakaramdam kasi ako ng pag-asa. So, nag-message ako sa kanya. I watched the free video. Nag-research ako. Siyempre, nagdasal. Kasi, ayoko rin naman maloko. But what I discovered surprised me. Operating globally in 29 countries. Long established and legitimate. US federal tax registered. Automated online system working 24/7. Beginner friendly with mentorship, training, and supportive community. At first, skeptical talaga ako, especially my husband. Parang too good to be true kasi. Pero sabi ko sa sarili ko, what if ito na yung sagot sa dasal ko? So I took the risk, and honestly, it became one of the best decision of my life. Because now, mas may time na ako sa family ko. Nakakatulong ako sa family back home anytime. Nakakapag-travel kami. I can work from anywhere. At unti-unti naming natutupad yung pangarap naming bahay sa Pinas. And one of the best parts, hindi ko na kailangan mamili between work and family. What I love most about this business, no inventory, no hard selling, no bugging friends and family. Everything is systemized and automated. You can literally learn this using your phone and laptop for just 1-2 hours a day. Don't worry if beginner ka. Ako rin naman noon walang alam. That's why we have step-by-step training, mentors and coaches, supportive community, and proven system. Hindi mo na kailangan maging expert. You just need to be coachable, open-minded, and willing to learn. So if ikaw yung tipo ng tao na pagod na sa paycheck to paycheck cycle, looking for extra income, gusto ng more time freedom, gustong makatulong sa family, gustong magkaroon ng ibang option in life, maybe this is also the opportunity you've been praying for. Comment info or send me a message and I'll gladly share the free video presentation with you. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you inside. Bye for now.